Hey, how are we all? Roger the Real Deal guy here. Real deal alert, woo, woo. Yes, literally this holiday home behind me came into stock about 2 hours ago. And I want you guys to be the first people to see it because it really is truly spectacular. It's a Willerby Rio Gold, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. It's stunning. As you can see, it's not on a picture or anything else like that because we want you to pick the ideal picture, your ideal holiday home. But I really wanted you guys to be the first to see it. Right, let's go in and have a look. See, told you, it's spectacular. Double glazed, central heating. Look at that magnificent window. Luxury corner sofa that's come around. This really has been well looked after. It's a lovely, pre-loved holiday home. So, double glazed, central heating, gas fire if you wish. Great dining area with the bench seat and 2 stools, so it's versatility and flexible. But just look how well it's been looked after. Amazing storage space in the kitchen. See your cooker, your hob, room for your microwave. So much natural light though, isn't there? I mean, it really does make it feel light and airy. As we come on down, first door on your left is your main bathroom. WC, boiler behind, great size shower, storage to the side, obviously your sink. But what a great start, what an amazing master bathroom. Right, carry on down the hallway into your twin. Again, great size. Look at the light coming in through that window. 2 good sized singles, both freestanding. The bedside is also freestanding. So if you wanted to play around and probably get a double in here, you probably could do. Above bed storage. And again, wardrobe, radiator. But again, lovely room. And then into the master. Great size bed, again, loads of amounts of storage, bedsides, ensuite WC, and again, it's a great size as well. Little dressing table area, shelf, double door wardrobes, again, loads of shelves in there, but what an amazing space. This really is a fabulous holiday home. I mean, just look, great master. Lovely twin, fabulous sized master bathroom, and this great open plan living, dining, kitchen area with a galley kitchen. Stunning. Told you guys ought to be the first to see it. Not wrong, am I? So this is the magnificent Willerby Rio Gold, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. Really is fabulous. Great master, lovely size main bathroom, great twin, and this lovely open plan living, dining, kitchen area. It really is stunning. And you can see why I love it so much. This is an ideal holiday home. This is great if you're thinking about purchasing for the first time, or if you're looking to do an upgrade. I am here to assist you in holiday homes like this. We have a variation of different holiday homes. Holiday home ownership starts from £19,995. I can find you holiday homes that really does suit your needs, budgets and everything else like that. We want you guys to come here to Holiday Resort Unity and really enjoy yourself. Don't forget, we are literally 15 minutes from the M5. So we are 15 minutes from the M5 and you're in your own little slice of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity. So you know what you got to do now? You got to pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, say, Roger, help me. I'm interested in holiday home ownership and let me take you through the rest. If you don't want to give me a call, drop me a text. If you don't want to do that, you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I am here to answer all your questions and your needs and to help holiday home ownership become really easy and simple for you. That's what I do. That's my job. I am here to advise you. Now, don't forget, people, my YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy, because on there is a variation of holiday homes, shows you all different stages, budgets, and everything else like that, so you really do get a good idea of what's involved in holiday home ownership. But for now, people, don't forget, it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal, and I'll see you soon.